Yo, welcome in, welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Thank you. Thank you for the happy birthday wishes. Thank you, thank you. We have the same birthday, Luau? That's crazy. 38? Nope, not 38. Not 38. Twitch too. I've always done dual streams. Most, like 99% of people are on YouTube though. Most people. Am I 20? Nope, not 22. Nope. 25. Yep. Turned 25 today. Isn't that crazy? 25 is old, dude. Yeah, 25 is old. Closer to 30 than 20. I know. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. Thank you, Twitch chat. I see you too. Thanks, Bats. Bro's pushing 30s. Officially pushing 30s, yeah. Yeah, Swifter updated it. Okay. So what is the button? You get invited to RC? Yep, I'll be going. I'm missing the last day though, because I have a wedding I'm going to. Not my wedding, just one of my friends' weddings. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna be streaming that long today. Probably only a couple hours, but thank you all for the wishes. Thanks, Timer. Thanks, Lemmy. Yeah, I got some plans today. Okay. So the button. Okay. I haven't figured it all out. I haven't figured it all out in my head. I have a very solid idea. Yeah, June 30th. Thanks, hello. It's kind of just all up in my head right now of what's this game's actually gonna be. It's not a don't press the button. Birthday emotes. And I literally, there's very little code written for this game. In fact, the code that I have written doesn't really do much. I want to make a game that has like the most satisfying little button of all time, okay? And what does this button do? Right now, not much, I'm gonna be honest. You can press it and it has this little animation. That's about it. That's all I got. I'll be honest. I'll be honest. I've been hyping it up, but literally this is all it's got. Just publish it now. Yeah. No, so I threw this together yesterday. Oh, I was gonna say I'm making devlogs for this. I started making devlogs again. I really miss doing those, so I have a bunch of clips already. So expect those expect those to come on my YouTube channel. For more like yeah. Thanks, Anthony. Yeah. So those will come back. I have like a lot in my head of what this game will be. I don't know exactly. That's crazy, Dirt. There is a sound as well. Very, very little sound. I don't know. I'll mute the music for a second. Maybe you can hear it. I don't know. I think it sounds decent. It's like, again, I literally threw this together yesterday. But I think it sounds good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, music's back on. Yeah, the VFX changes each time you click. Okay. Hey, Dirt. Oh wait. Speaking of getting banned for uploading assets, does the creator link work for my new data service yet? Roblox thought it was harmful content. Is interesting. It's awesome, Silver. Thank you. No, I'm pretty sure what Roblox does now is they... How do I even check it? Creations? Like, my creations? Development items? Data service type. I don't know how to get to the actual... Oh yeah, it says it's... Okay, you should be able to get it on... Oh! I thought I just disabled it. You should be able to get it on the creator store now. For anyone that's wanting to. What do you mean data service type harmful content? I'm pretty sure Roblox just they get AI to scrape the code of anything, and I'm pretty sure if it uses meta tables, they just auto deny it because the AI can't understand it. And like, especially when I look at like I was looking at the actual... What am I doing? Like, I think this stuff it's not able to understand. The raw set, raw get, and I don't know. Or I'm sure it can understand it, but they're like community standards or whatever. Okay, so hey, thanks guys. I am gonna make it so the code that's in here right now is really, really rough, like super, super rough. This was just me messing around, so I'm gonna make it so that I'm just gonna say animation. When isn't the code rough? Use AI at all for this game? I'm 25 now. I'm gonna do a button client. I'm gonna actually make a button client and button server class. Yeah, 25. Why not use AI? Dude, it just like isn't fun. Ah. Yeah, my quarter life crisis. Yeah, Dogman changed my opinion. Exactly. Shut up, Derp. Derp, I saw you play. You were playing Minecraft. A little MCSR finally. How was that? You're 25. How long you been on Roblox? Since 2010. How old my account is. I'm sure I was like had a guest account and all that before that, but how do you see this? Yeah, I joined it 2010. Derp didn't even get to the Nether in 12 runs. That's crazy. Bro joined before my birth. Yeah, I bet my account is older than, honestly, maybe a majority of people in chat. A decent amount of people in chat, at least. Did you participate in the edcons? No, actually. I remember them, but I don't remember ever doing one. I remember maybe doing one, actually. It's older than me by 10 years. Okay. Gonna have to. No, I don't think that's allowed, actually. T-Bell. No. I don't know, dude. I honestly don't really have, like, I have some plans, but like, I don't know. Not like, is it like crazy? I don't really feel like doing anything. Like, I don't know. Is that weird? Is Derp in his 30s? I think he's in his 40s, actually. Thanks for the happy birthday wishes. Okay. Oh, I also made this coin icon. Would a successful game sell for more if it's built in VS Code? Probably not. I made this coin icon last night, and I like it. This was my first iteration. That one sucked. Thank you, Cody. What are you even asking, Derp? I don't get it. Okay. Oh, and then we need to do self.networker equals networker server new. What apps for images and also audio? I just use free audio from Toolbox actually. But for images, I mostly use Figma. I really, really like Figma. I like game without packet, dude. We don't need packet. We don't need packet. What's the game about? Right now, it's just a button. No, Figma's free. Yeah, Figma's free. It's literally just a button. It's just a button. It has a nice little animation on it. It's not a tycoon, not a tycoon. It's not brain rots either. Go review your games. I do want to do that this stream, by the way. If people who are here that will have games that want me to review, I plan on doing that this stream. I guess so you understand that. Yeah, I was thinking about doing that earlier today. I was like, when this comes up, it should like send you flying upward. 1 hour per click. Awesome, Nat. Thank you. And then we need to make a function. Jump on the button, press it. Yeah, maybe. This game going to go viral? I mean, dude, we got a button right now, so we'll literally like a couple hours into this game. Can't really say much. Like the button, the Steam game. No, that seems like... Wait. I saw a clip of this on Twitter. And that's what made me want to make this, actually. But the gameplay is going to be literally nothing like what this is. But I saw the button being clicked and it made me want to make this, yeah. Scoped user IDs? I don't... It literally makes no difference to me. Okay. Button server... I don't know what the game is yet. I don't know. Like, I do know, but I don't know. I kind of... This is how I make games. I don't know. I kind of figure it out as I go. All I know is that it's a good button. I've never done Roblox TypeScript. Yeah. There are lots of people that like to let's say get heavily inspired. Thank you for the happy birthday wishes. I'm thinking, so each button should probably have like cooldowns, I guess. Well, I guess each player shouldn't have their own class or their own object. That doesn't really make sense. I think we have like each button has its own like singular class. Or object of the class button, and that will internally keep track of like each player's like I don't know. Yeah, I'm sticking with Vide. I like Vide. Collab with Tizzy. Yeah, qualified. I'd be down to try it out. Thanks, Extra. So, like, should I do, like... Wait. Dude, it's so hard when you start a new game, because, like, there's so much that you just don't know. You know what I mean? Like, how can I plan out for something where, like, I literally don't know? I don't really like doing this, but I could do, like, and then I could be like, something like this. And then, hey, thanks, Extra. I appreciate it. Global clicks. Yeah, that'd be cool. There's a lot of ideas that can come from one singular button. It's kind of funny. Who knows what the button's gonna do? Who knows? Why are you being so weird? Yeah, I turned 25 today. Can you be a little normal? Can you just be a little normal, you know? What's going on today? I don't know. This won't be hard-coded in the future. I'm just... whatever. Yeah, my issue, though, is like... I guess each... If I go to my data... I don't know, like button stats? There's buttons, probably. Thank you, Blocky. 7 TV. Dude, I'm be honest. I'm not setting it up. I'm too lazy. Where's Neovim? You do the dot and pass self, so that when I do self dot, we have all of the IntelliSense. Where if I didn't, and I just did this, you can see we don't have all the IntelliSense. It can only infer what self is in this. Okay, button stats. I don't know, like, just like clicks is a number? I don't really know. Unlocked or owned is a Boolean. What are you using for player state saving? I'm using my own thing. I actually just made a video on it. It's data service, but better. Yeah, I mentioned this earlier, but if you have a game that you're working on that you're going to be releasing soon, or it's in a testable state, and you want me to review it, I will later. I will be doing that. So if you can say like what if there's like stats that are bad, that would even help. That can, like, you know, focus on those stats too. You identify what goes into features or what games in a game or core. Game is like specific. It's hard for me to show. I'm gonna pull up StarterGui because I have like nothing in this project. Game is like just pure data. You can see it's like the fruits. It's like the table. It's like the stuff about the fruits, or, you know, slimes. Just pure data. My images, my sounds, just basically tables of data. My rarity tiers, stuff like that. Zones, okay? Literally just data that pertains to this very specific stream, or this very specific game. The features are the actual logic that the game has. Each feature is its own, like, feature of the game. So, for example, in StarterGui, like, your login streak, or the machines, or offline earnings, or rolling. I mean, obviously, that's a huge feature, and there's a lot that goes into some of these, but like it's I don't know what I was saying. I read chat and I completely lost my train of thought. Each thing is like a slice of the game, basically. Each feature. Core are things that are completely irrelevant to the game. I can literally take this core folder, copy and paste it into this game, and everything like will work. So, for example, a color tweaker, or is the user in a group? These are things, or safe teleport, or some random UI like primitives that I use, some utility things, like version utils, stuff like this. Yeah, core, I almost think of as like packages that don't, like, I'm not gonna publish, you know, my color tweaker. I mean, I could, but I'm not gonna, and that kind of stuff. Like, core is almost like packages, but not actually. Okay, qualified. And Gen Future does put feature folders in the client server. Yes. Yeah, so like you can see here, I have button client and button server right next to each other in VS Code. But then in Roblox Studio, if I go to Rocket Sword, source, features, buttons, button client is here. And then in server script service, we have button server. You can see it automatically split them. Try it now, Honorix. I think the link should work for the Creator Store, unless you did just try it. When are you going to rate other games? I will, probably soon-ish. Tried a minute ago. Roblox is being dumb, I know that. Let me try something real quick. Because I literally had to appeal. It says it's enabled, though. I don't know. I had to... Roblox banned it. They thought it was harmful content. I had to appeal the ban. I don't know what that was about, but... Ooh, nice, Craig. No brain rot games. That is a rule, sorry. Unless your game is an extremely good brain rot game, but kind of an oxymoron. No, I didn't get banned. They thought the thing I uploaded to the Creator Store was harmful content, so they didn't allow me to upload it. And so I appealed it, but I think it should be better now. I hope. Oops. Are you so inspired? Do you have any method to find ideas efficiently? No, I just usually will like see a clip and be like, hold on a minute. And then, I don't know, figure out everything from there. I think we need to make like a ID. Could be model, get attribute, ID. And ID would be a string. Dude, the fact that I can do this is so cool to me. I've never had any issues having the player, like, Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. I've never had any issues with it. You don't have to do that extra. That's to expedite the process. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Game name so I can steal it. I don't have... There isn't a name yet. Test sprites. Make sure you have the new version. Make sure you have at least 1.0.3. But there is 1.0.4 now. When I initially published the package, I forgot to add the service layer of data. Did you, or are you currently doing any sports? I used to pole vault and wrestle. Yeah, I wrestled for like 5 years actually. No, I wasn't that good at wrestling. I was literally just like an average JV wrestler. And then you'd probably return a Boolean. Yeah, I don't know. I honestly really disliked wrestling. I ended up quitting and doing robotics instead, and I loved robotics. What weight class? I was 120, 126, depending. And then on button client, I just... yeah, whatever. Hardcode. Yeah, this won't be hardcoded. I know. There'll be like probably upgrades and stuff like that. I'm just trying to make it work first. And like all of this is really gross. I know. I'm gonna completely what's the new game gonna be about? There's a button. That's what I got. We need the networker as well. Critical button taps? Maybe. If you give me your U-spring hook, but in the new Ripple version, it became laggy when I hovered over a button, so I changed it back to the old version I was using. The new Ripple fixed the bug that they had before, that the old Ripple had. If you're talking about like React U-spring, my version of the U-spring hook fixed the bug that old Ripple had. If you updated Ripple and then tried using my old U-spring hook, then they would... I guess I don't know what would happen, so that kind of makes sense, I guess. Oh, good. Oh. I actually used the wrong one. Just release the game as is. Looks pretty fun. It literally just a button. Think it's ready to be released? What's the error in the output? It's some Roblox player module BS. I don't know. You're able to add on-key added, on-key. Oh, nice. Why is it so satisfying? I spent a long time trying to make it satisfying, probably. What even is the idea behind it? Bro, what do you mean? It's a button. The button where 50% of the game's budget goes? Yeah. Yes, but what's the concept? I don't understand the question. He's asking what the point of the game is. It's a button. What do you mean? Type networker, yeah, maybe. Whatever. We'll just hard code this for now. Just add ASMR sound to the button and drop it. Video going over my favorite wallet packages? I don't. But maybe I should. Did you enjoy being on Game Tank? Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I really like doing that kind of stuff. Crash buttons. So Lemons is a really popular tycoon. It's honestly just a tycoon with like perfect progression. Like looking on the outside, it really is just a tycoon, but they just nailed the progression. I didn't publish original networker at say creators for yet. Because I don't know. Because I haven't made like docs or like anything like that. Oh, I did update the docs for data service type, by the way. So you can kind of see. So it should be a little bit better. I tried making it very simple. Yeah, Maple, I know you can do that. But this is the old way to do it with the old type solver. And low key, you're right. I should change this. Is this? I actually haven't done it yet. How do you do it? Is it like that? Why are you mad? Thanks, Roids. Also welcome. Second order. Is this wrong? Type of button. That actually worked. Okay, I was not expecting that to work at all, I'm being completely honest. Okay. Use data server type? You don't know. I have a... There's an RBXM on the... releases here. I should actually update this. But there's an RBXM here. Also, the creator link should work. People say it doesn't. But it should now, I hope. Where do I add data? Take a look at the docs. I'll send the docs. And you can be a good test subject. Let me know if you're able to get it to work. Just based off these docs. I'm using Vide. Thanks, Bite. Another ad, really? Oh. It was set to medium frequency. I changed it to low. I guess I could just turn them off, though. I don't know how, though. Sorry. I got remonetized on YouTube, and I think that's why it's showing ads again. Because they unmonetized me because I never confirmed my address. Because they never sent me the code in the mail. But after the third time, they finally sent me the code. Demonetize yourself, please. Thanks, Gui. Appreciate it. When Vide tutorial? Make our assets yourself. In this game, I have. Yeah, it's my birthday today, Infinite. 25. Oh, really? CC streams. I didn't know that. Yeah, I'll do slices with Vide as well. Let me see if I can find a decent example. Where's roll? Yeah, the roll slice is actually huge. I kind of didn't realize that. Dang. Yeah, I didn't realize it. That's actually a massive slice, I'll be honest. Thoughts on vibe coding? I hate it. But it can produce results if results are all that you care about. But the code, like genuinely is not that good, but it can work. I guess I don't even need this. I could just... I actually don't know. Whatever. No, Roy, it's not like that at all. What am I trying to do right now, dude? Okay, I remember what I'm trying to do. I'm splitting button client. I'm splitting... This was all just like really, really rough code that I wanted to get the visuals looking clean. I'm going to clean this up. This would probably return what you actually get. This would have like... Why do you like self so much? I think I just really like object-oriented style of code. I think it makes a lot of sense to me. Thanks, Beaver. Okay. And then... What am I doing for my birthday? I'm doing some stuff later. My fiance's at work until 5, so I have like 2 hours. Yeah. I don't know. It's like weird. I'm like honestly like don't really have much planned at all. Maybe we'll get dinner or something, but like I don't know, kind of just chilling. Thanks, Kevin. Okay. For those that haven't seen the button yet, because there's been a lot of confusion on what this game is about, so let me just explain it. I hope that clears things up. Thanks for the birthday wishes. Okay. Look. And then I think everything else is just visuals. So... This will return the thing that they get. This won't even be a boolean. I mean, I guess I could do boolean and then like... Oh, something like this. Or... Just, I don't know. I feel like... I feel like the button speaks for itself. How could I put this in a clean light? Also, I'm kind of like torn if I actually want to use click detectives. Click detectives are so bad. Why are we raw dogging without a plan? That's literally how I make games. I don't know what to tell you. I kind of just figure it out as I go. Okay, how do I want this? Maybe I'll make like a button visuals or something like that. Use a proximity prompt, that'd be so bad. Maybe request click, true. So this counter we need to do some stuff with, okay. Would use other than click detectors, just like get the user input service, whatever, and then cast array and see what it hits instead of using click detectors. Click detectors are just like old and kind of janky. Yeah, I'll use Vide. Okay, I'm gonna make a function that's just called like initialize model, maybe. Like switch to Vide, what's different? It's another declarative UI library. I think it's just a better approach to declarative UI than React. I think I just fundamentally don't really like React's approach to like changes. I think a signal-based approach makes a lot more sense in game development. And the two real contenders would be Fusion and Vide, and I think Vide is a better Fusion. You should have previews if you're using Fusion or World. You just have to use a story library or story plugin. What it'll do, initialize model. Like, do I just... I mean, I can clean this code up a lot. I wonder if there's actually more I can do here. Because these are kind of all the same. Yeah, I can make this a lot better, actually. Okay. The button offset. You don't have to declare self-siphoner? Yeah, you do. Thanks, Mello. Appreciate it. Think it's tutorial on Vide? Maybe. I know C#. I've used C# like once in my life. It says use React in the description. Does it? I thought I changed it to say Vide. Might be a little outdated. Oh, it says React slow. Oops. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Instead of writing out all of this, we'll just say I don't really like this. Completely honest. Like, is it? I don't know if it's better to be explicit or not in this case. Like, it feels weird. I don't know. I guess, like, this really isn't that bad. Like, it is kind of repeating myself a bit. But it's honestly not that bad. We could definitely get these self-dot models, though. I mean, this is... I don't know. Like, a for loop would save me, like, one line, maybe, but then it wouldn't be super obvious of what it's actually doing. Use const here, actually. I made a new group for this game, actually. When you'll be rating people's games? In probably like 30 minutes to an hour. Const is a new thing, yeah. Yeah, I will, Co. Once I get around to it. Yeah. Const, make sure you update it. I don't think silo formats or anything. Wait, really? Yeah, they do. You guys might need to, you're gonna forget. Yeah, probably. You might need to update, some things. Scripting course? Not really my thing, my style. I think you can find everything you need to online. See, I feel like this is just gonna like muddy up this script though. I don't know. I'm like, you can probably tell, but I'm being kind of like picky with how I'm writing code because I'm sick of AI code and I'm sick of crappy code. Like, so I really want to get back to writing clean code. Like, I loved the way I coded Crashbots. Even though it wasn't using the feature, Hey, thanks, Catsy. I appreciate it. Nice infinite. I just liked how I made Crashbots before AI. So, like, I really cared about how I set things up. Although I'm really not loving this, but I can't really think of a better way to do it. I mean, I can think of a different way to do it. I don't know if that's even a better way to do it, which was to put everything in a table here and then loop through here. I mean, the alternative would be to mark everything that can expand, which is honestly probably what I should do. I just mark the things here that can expand with like an attribute, Boolean, and just say like expands. Thanks, Infinite. I appreciate it, dude. And just set expands to true. And I think this will be actually a much better way to do it than this one. Did you get that text to glow? Yeah, do you like it? Okay, and then I'm gonna use the query descendants, I think. Always gatekeep. I'm not gatekeeping. It's just literally using a surface GUI. It's setting the brightness up. Yeah, it's just a built-in property, guys. I thought that I wasn't trying to gatekeep that. No, it's not the default editing. Can't believe you're gatekeeping the button. Infinite, the goal of the game. Start making videos like Duckbull and Janice. I've thought about it. I definitely could. I just don't know if I like editing that much. And I spend a lot of time on editing. What's the game idea? What do you mean? Dude, I'm sorry. I saw that comment on the YouTube video that I recently posted. I was cracking up. Okay, I need to learn how this works because I already forgot. I've used it once before. And it was goated. Does it... Since this is all a string, how does that work though? How does it... Does it do, like... If I do true here, how would it know that it's true and not? Yeah, right. I guess I technically don't even need... Oh, it just expands, not expander. LeBron the Warriors, for real? A LARP course? Yeah, I know I don't actually need this in this case. Because everything that just has the expands will just have it. I guess might as well just get rid of it. And then I want to make... I want to make this have an attribute that's a number that's expansion multiplier. Wait, actually, why do you do classes versus like collection service components? The Raptor. Do you mean like subscribing to like the tag of button? I will do that for this. Like this will have a button tag. And that any model with the tag button will have this class created for it. And I think that's what the component library that Slightnick has, if I'm remembering that correctly. I think. Unless I'm thinking of something else. Okay, yeah. Okay, and now what I can do is say for I equals wait. Well, I'm not even gonna use create, and that's cool. Also expanders part is original size equals part dot size, and multiplier is part attribute expansion multiplier. Expansion multiplier. 4-1. I hate that. See? HP Gamer gets it. Eclipse asks, will this be a round-based game or plot? Let me explain. Oh, the original size. Let's change this to be size. Why is there no brightness setting in my service GUI? Change off or turn off or put the light influence to 0. Like they did in Karate Kid. Thing is, like, is this code even better? You know what I mean? I feel like this code is so much more confusing. But I guess if other buttons in the future have different things on them, this is more dynamic, where I can, like, say this thing will expand, this thing won't. Yeah. Really, it's better. Yeah, overtake. Yeah, I saw him quit. He quit the same time I did when I tried doing it. Except he had AI, I didn't, so that's on him. Have you used Vim binding instead of VS Code? Inside of VS Code? There was a point where I wanted to try and learn, but my issue is that I have to look at the keyboard to type anyway, so I don't think it would be very helpful for me. Thanks, Raptor. They were ugly. They were ugly. Like, this just looks ugly, right? To be fair, it was very clear in what it was doing. This... That is true. That is true. I did say... I remember at the beginning of that challenge, I was debating if I should do... Like, I wanted to do something with slimes. Good point. I read books. Honestly, no, not really. But I know it like sounds so cliche, like, oh, I really want to read more books or whatever. Like, I actually genuinely do want to read more books, but saying it and doing it are two different things. Brain rot defense and slimes. Yeah. Yeah, the brain rot defense was originally going to be slime defense. Yeah. Book reading stream? Should I read out loud? We can do like popcorn or whatever it's called. One person reads at a time. Okay, so that'll initialize model. Cool. Oh, I guess I also want to say... God, dude, I just can't get over how cool this is that I can do that. Thanks, pancakes. Thanks, Cool Meow. Appreciate it, dude. Golf game, but instead of golf balls, it's slime. I go up. Hey, babe. When reviewing viewers' games, soon. Can figure out the math for arch and stuff, because algebra class was forever ago. There should be plenty online. Move to Miami and start LARPing now because you're rich. No. New game showcase? Sure. Yeah, I know, I will. I don't think I'll use click detectors for real, but definitely pays on. Okay. I think that's all I need for the initializing model. When you click he's a one-hit wonder. Damn. We need to emit. So I'll make a new function called function button client. Emit. Actually, just emit. Yeah. Bro, we'll do game reviews soon. I said like probably 30 minutes to an hour or something. I don't know. You guys. Relationship reviews. Okay. Okay, real question. Should the click noise be inside the button itself? Or should it be just like local? Thanks, nice. think in the button. Global. What? Oh. What? That was weird. I don't know, roll off min distance 30, max distance. I don't know. 120? Inverse? I swear to God, if this is a troll sound, I'm gonna cry. I don't like that, sorry. Yep. And then in the emit function, we're gonna need all this jazz, which was coded horribly. It's way too early to even think about playtesters. Playtest the button. Should put the button as a free model. I'm sure someone else will. Too bouncy. I think it's perfect. How do I want to do this? I have a bunch of emitters. Basically everything but the circle. Wait, I can just query descendants. Oh my goodness. Wait, this is OP. Self.model.emitters. Query descendants. And then how do I do it again? Last name? Oh, you just do it. It would just be particle emitter. But then I want to exclude. I want to exclude one that's named something. Name. So how would I do? It would be not. Andrew, thank you. Wait, couldn't I just do property equals value, but not equal value or something like that? Not hashtag name. Okay. Like that, you think? Yeah, I think that's right. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's so cool that it knows the type based off of that query as well. Dude, this query descendants thing is so good. Genuinely one of the best, like, features they've added, I feel like. I hate that I have to do this. Is there any way to not have to type it, force it to any, and then type it like this? Like, I wish I could just, like, I know it's because it's strict and all of that, but, like, just annoying. You can't just cast it as a particle emitter, though. Wait, what? Okay, for some you can't, though, I swear. Like, look, get attribute here. What? Okay, ignore everything I have ever said. Dude, I promise you. I promise you. Oh, ignore me. Dude, I promise you that doesn't always work. I promise you. Yeah, I'm using the new data service typed in this. Okay, now first learning how to program today. Yeah, I guess so. Dude, I promise you that doesn't always work. Okay, I look insane now. Now we can get rid of this old one. We shouldn't need it. And then I'm gonna make a new folder called classes. I'm gonna move these here. I'm gonna make a new file. I don't actually love this, but you guys are so dumb. You got. I promise you it doesn't always work. I promise you. I can't prove it, but I promise you. Oh. I know. Okay. What is a good what's a good open source? Is it the Slightnick one that just binds the tag to a class? Slightnick component? Or no? Oh, it's part of Roblox util. Is there one that's just a standalone component? Yeah, see, I've used binders before. That's what I've heard of. Like, see, the binder pattern. This is a really old blog. I guess not that old. 5 years ago. But I've used this before. Thanks, Christian. What? I just want to bind a tag to a class. This seems like way more than what I need. I low-key might have something in core. No, I don't. I have to write a new module. I don't like observer. I think just binder. Are we really not? But I don't even hold up. This doesn't even need to be a class though. Like, can I just make this return function? Tag is a string. Class is something that has new. Thanks, Bonnie. Yeah, I guess that, yeah, that's a good point, actually. I just wanted to make sure it has the new constructor on it. I don't know if that's even necessary, though. Whatever. And then just do... for... That's what I was saying. I feel like this needs to... like it... Why did that error, though? Whatever. Yeah, I will listen to that on tag added. I'm just trying to figure out this type. So it doesn't really... I might just typecast that to any. Not tagged. Create it. What's it called? On tagged. What's it called? Not a function. Maybe this. Tag added. Thanks, Jake's not. Oh. Okay, instance added. Oh. No. Alright, you scared people will copy your game and release it before you now that... Yeah. I've been intentionally a little vague. The setup tour? It's not much. Yeah. I'm just gonna type this as any. Dude, like... Why? 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 Tell me why. Okay. Thank you, Jazzify. Oh, thank you. Is this good enough? I think this is all we need, right? Thanks for the birthday wishes. Appreciate it. This looks like a fine bind function, right? I think it does everything I would want it to. I guess in the callback disconnect function, you could potentially want to destroy all active ones, but maybe that's not important. Okay, and then in client, now let's just say we can get rid of the old button one. We're not using that anymore, and just say button service client in it, and in server button service server in it. Yep, service player data is another package that I made. That's open source on my Wally as well. It's super basic and really nothing special whatsoever. How long does it usually take you to make a new game on average? Depends on the game. Slime RNG I made in just over a month. Alright. Now for everything to break. Yep. The Dev Longsword? I have a few codes left over. 2 hours make a button so far? That is not even true. I made the button off stream. It's been 2 hours to do nothing so far. Okay, I realize the issue. I kind of thought that would just work, low-key. Because wait, I didn't give this an. Oh wait, it's because I literally didn't give this an ID. How to program in Lua if you give me a long sword. Okay, I understand the issue here. Leaf, have you ever played R6? Like Rainbow Six? I'm not that big into shooters. I think I've played Rainbow Six like once in my life. For like a minute. Jumping on the button to work as well. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I'm going to RDC. I'm missing the last day, but I'll be there. Okay. So the issue is that the data literally doesn't exist. But like, so here's the thing. You can listen to a value if it doesn't exist. What I'm trying to do right now is listen to a child value of something that doesn't exist. So I could do this and then do like info, and then I could do info.clicks like that. And this will work. So maybe I should just do that. Yeah. It doesn't work. Yeah, I'm not going to. For now, I am, though. OS.clock minus last click time is greater. Oh. Oh. Classic. Yep, I'm planning on doing that, Dak. Okay. I know it literally seems like I've done nothing this entire stream. And from a player's perspective, you're 100% right. But what I've done is consolidated the code so that there's a server and a client version. And cleaned up the code a ton. But functionally, literally nothing has changed. Yes, laying down the foundation, exactly. I also need to do... If this doesn't exist, then we need to create it. I'll just say on for now, I guess. I don't know. Another thing you can do, actually, since I'm reusing this like 3 times, 4 times, 3 times, I can just say button info value equals this without calling it, and then we can reuse it like that. If you genuinely enjoy coding, it feels though I only ever enjoy the end product and it's more just hating everything when I do it. No, I think I genuinely just enjoy coding. I don't think I would spend 3 days live streaming myself making a new data service if I didn't like it and then open sourcing it. A chance. What exactly is this new game going to be? Let me explain. Sorry, I've done that same joke like 10 times now. There are 3 more wordings. These aren't even mine. They're Roblox's. Okay, and then I can get rid of the old button thing. It's garbage. Is the game done? Yep. Every time you click the button, leave gets 1 Robux. Yeah, it actually costs 1 Robux to click. This new thing I'm trying. Okay. Do you want to try something real quick? Let me set my model streaming mode to be... you know what? I gotta do this first. I want to set... Right now it's not initializing the this surface GUI. Actually, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Because, like, kind of annoying to do that. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set the streaming target radius to be, like, 50. Oh, 64 is the lowest. Okay. And what I want to see happen is this works. I'm gonna count up on it. Let's actually use my save data. I was confused why we're already at 200, but... And then I'm gonna run away, make it so that it streams out. Okay, so now it no longer exists. And then I'll make it stream back in. Just to check, make sure that my bind tag thing works. And yeah, like I said, this number won't be correct, but when I click, everything should work, yeah. Okay. Bro has a lisp? I don't think so. Steal a leaf. Okay. What's the best Bezier curve open source module? Go. Or do I have to make that too? Mine, but I have a backdoor in it. At least you're honest. What's your tween? I don't like the tween API. What do you think caused SlimeRG to not maintain as well as intended? No late game progression or purpose. Sometimes messages in our game are fully invisible. The hitbox is there, but it won't load at all. You know any fix for this? Probably what's happening is that the meshes aren't published under the group. Thanks, Purple. No, it wouldn't be inverted. Qualified knows that, but there is a really weird bug that can cause some extremely bizarre behavior. When you try setting a position of part in the workspace to nan, it will cause basically nearby parts in the workspace to seemingly disappear, but they're still there, but they're not there. Oops. Why would a button curve? This isn't for the button. Something else other than the button? Yeah, I showed it earlier. There's a coin. Can you guys be honest? Do you like my coin icon? No. I'm only saying yes because it's your birthday. Okay, what's wrong with it? Yes, I made it from scratch. I don't believe you. Dude, I made all of these. I spent a while. This is the one from Slime RNG. As a reference. The bottom is the only matte thing? Really? I kind of like the bottom, though. Are you saying it should be more so like this? I don't know. I kind of like it's like a little unique. Rectangle one gotta go. Yeah, I know. That's why I redid it. Is because I thought this looked garbage. Make it a triangle, like just here. I think I'd have to do like. That looks really weird. I don't know. Okay, it's also gonna look like this in game. Like this will be the size of it in game. Dude, I love. Everyone's like, move this pixel here. Go to the left, right, up, triangle. Required taste, yeah. Just reuse the slime. Well, the slime RNG one is actually reused from tower defense RNG. See? This is tower defense RNG's coin. I took tower defense RNG's coin and slapped a $sign on it and added a black stroke. I did think about adding a white line. Like, let me cook something up real quick. What would the light do? Like weird to like think about what the light would do, but I think this is right. Probably needs to be a little bit thicker, but you kind of get the idea. Can't really just stretch it, but I think I messed up here. I think this light should almost not even be connected. It should be like almost. You look like you've worked in Chick-fil-A. Nope. One I just clicked on. Yeah. Which one did you say to use? OM. This one? Dude, is there not a way to... I don't think there is. Like, I wish I could go to their GitHub. I don't want tween support. I don't like tweens. This does have... I'm gonna look this up. Designed to be used for tower defense games. What? Oh. It's not an actual. Interesting. Oh, I see. It like mimics the TDS walking. Okay, that's not what I want then. This one? This one doesn't have a Wally download. So funny. This video just crashed my... Oh. Okay. Just download it and see. What could go wrong? Dude, why does this keep on happening? There's like certain... This happened to me earlier. Where someone like set up their package wrong. Thanks, guys. I have no idea how to test. I'm pretty sure this was just like defaults. I don't have any special themes or anything like that. You have to give a base part? I guess that's fine. I have to define waypoints? Is that what's happening? Okay. I use Ripple for springs. Pause, play. F point. Dude, like, why do I hate everyone else's code? Like, what are we doing here? And why are we unpacking waypoints every single time? I also don't like that I have to define my own waypoints. This isn't that bad, actually. Okay, you know what? I am going to review games, if there are any. So rules are must be a newer game or a game that's yet to release but will release soonish. If you have stats that are bad, like my average session time is horrible, that helps. Like things you want to improve on, that kind of stuff, and I'll just give my opinion on the game. We can get some people in it. Send the game ID if you don't know how to find your game ID. Also, the game must be public. The game ID is this up here. You can't send links on YouTube. Send me a little bit about the game also, like you know, what it is. Please no brain rot for the most part, unless it's like a super unique brain rot concept. No templates either. Because those seem to have lots of issues too. Yeah, I'd say those are kind of the rules. Yeah, so for those who wanted me to review games, here we go. Send the IDs. My B game. Okay. Own a beehive. Is there anything? Okay, I'll just. Okay, decent start page. Having the whatever is good. Trailer is good. Okay. Sure, Twitch chat can count too, although it might be hard for me to see it. Okay. Okay. A legendary. Does everyone get that? No way, then an epic. I'm assuming everyone gets that. Yeah, this honestly seems pretty solid. Select honey. That part took a little long, I would say. Maybe like one thing I do in Slime RNG is when your slimes very first start battling, I make sure that the camera shows your slime hitting the enemy slime. I would say in that spot, literally like show the camera doing this. It only needs to take a second. Just make sure that they see what's happening, because I was kind of just going here at the arrow and I had no clue what was happening. And I was kind of just stuck. But now I understand, like I kind of looked around and saw that the bees take some time to actually make honey. Okay. Actually not bad onboarding though. An epic pack. Whoa! What's going on? Nice little cherry blossom. Okay. That's not scripted, really? No, genuinely not bad though. As long like I'm not gonna play this forever, but like as long as the progression feels good, I could see this like actually being solid. Like solid players solid stat wise. How long is it? Looked like it wasn't out, like this looked brand new, right? Yeah, I'm unsure how long it's been out. What's your stats look like? Whoa. Thanks, Mango. We released this game 3 weeks ago and stats are bad. 11-minute average play time and 6% day one. Damn. Do you have funnels set up? I'd be curious to see where people are leaving. It could be that maybe people just aren't feeling the progression. Or do these run out? Like, yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's just a lack of, like... A big thing with these plot games, I would say, is being able to look over and seeing someone's base and being... And, like, what the hell? That looks crazy. Like, that's a huge reaction that's really powerful in the plot games. That's what Grow Garden does perfectly, by the way. You know, you look over and see this massive garden. With these bees and flowers, I'm pretty sure I got like a legendary spin or whatever, and it was this. Maybe this grows? But it's at 100%. So I'm honestly not sure. So, yeah, it could be that, like, maybe you're just missing some moments like that. That aren't necessarily, like... I don't want to say shown in the stats, but, like... I guess when I went through the tutorial, it didn't seem like anything was bad, but... Yeah, it's just like you don't feel the progression. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't feel like I'm getting stronger or whatever. And obviously I'm not, like, being super active when I'm playing, but... Like, it's honestly not bad, though, at the same time. I'm not actually sure where I'm getting the fruit from. Actually not sure about that at all. Where am I getting that from? Inventory on left. Sign near the hive. Oh, bees can find fruit while gathering. I see. Okay. I think, like, you have a solid concept and even, like, solid mechanics. But I don't know. It could just be, like, what I was saying earlier. Just... I don't know, I'm trying to think. Yeah, I don't know. I guess just the lack of progression, lack of, like, feeling epic, lack of... I can't tell if... Maybe these are growing, actually. Well... Is this any bigger than that? Oh. Maybe not. No clear, like, this is what I need to do next. Yeah, I guess I'll just leave it there. Okay, next game. Go ahead and send the IDs and a short message about them. I'll go with so basically. They said just released. Rising lava. Good overview page. Thank you, thank you, Ataku. They said game just released. If Roblox lets me in. Oh, is this a Roblox bug now? I don't know if Roblox is gonna let me play it. I can't put in IDs from the app though, so I don't know how to get to it. Found it. Sponsored. Oh, okay. Okay, loading screens I'm always super against. Well, I like the look of this lobby a lot. Oh. Oh, you can. I see. You can dive like in Fall Guys or whatever. I like that. Actually, seems pretty dang good. Get there. Yo! No, no, no. Oh! No. Oh my god, that was so lucky. What? I did not get hit by that. What does my F do? Oh. Yup! Let's go! The UI is really nice, by the way. Dude, this looks solid. Competitive. Has abilities to knock them in the air. Oh, is that what I have? Oh, I see. Okay, so I can just like chuck people. Oh, I think that happened to me last round actually. Dude, this is good. Like, actually. I'm curious what it's like when I lose. I'm actually gonna die on purpose. I like that you can just come over here and actually watch. Dude, this I actually think this is really solid. Good. Oh, what's it? Oh, is this like a practice arena? Yo. Dude, this is good. Oh. I think I found a bug though. Oh, never mind. Wait, does that mean I can... No, I missed it. I tried to... I'd be curious to see how this does. I think, oh, you gotta get rid of this. You can't have a roulette wheel. You can't have a roulette wheel that actually is a roulette wheel. Also that. Same with the slot machine. You can't have either of those. I would say probably make it so that you have to, you can't just outright buy the abilities though. Oh my god! Sent him flying! Get out of here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. No, dude, this is good. Actually good. Like, unironically good. Oh, fix. I really like this. I think probably make it so you can't just buy these outright. I wonder if I mean, I'm sure you've looked a lot at Blade Ball and their monetization strategies, but definitely look into how you're able to. I guess there's crates here, but they said, oh, so maybe you're not fully done with this. Okay. Because I think with round-based games like this, is you can run out of... People can run out of things to purchase quick, especially if they get their one ability that they like. That's obviously not like a gripe on the game, just something to mention. No, but dude, this is great. This is great. I really like the look of the lobby too. Looks really clean. Really, really, really clean. Good game, honestly. I expect this ECU to go way up. Was that basically, was that a solo project, or did you make that with a couple people? Also 7, really? The biggest the service can get in a builder? Nice. Okay. I'll go with... I don't know. I'll go with Yo Maythang. Okay. They said, could you give this one a try? I'm a manager in this, and I'd like to see what you think about it as it's failing after just releasing. It's in, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what this means. ASYM. I see people much saying that all the time, but I have no clue what it means. Thriller game similar to Among Us. Asymmetrical? What does that mean? Well, I know what asymmetrical means, but it's called Nocturn. This means one person's a killer and others are hiders. Oh, okay, okay. Again, hate loading screens. Especially ones that are stuck. That's really bad. Important is game use high quality meshes. Okay. I'll let you have it, but oh wow. Okay, you weren't kidding. Holy crap. Wait, those look crazy, eh? Yeah, you weren't kidding. Some crazy quality. Skip tutorial, it's so obvious. Oh, well, I forgot. Or I didn't. Dude, this is so high quality. What? Even the voice acting too. I know you guys can't hear the audio, but there. Oh. Okay. %7 retention. Dang. You're the Nocturne. Don't get found. Transform. Oh, so they don't know who is it to start. Click or tap to hit him. Oh, okay, that was weird. That's kind of inside of him, a little buggy. Dude, I can't get over how good this looks. This is the type of game that Roblox like shows off in their videos, like unironically. They love to show off their really high quality stuff. Is there a reason why you force people? I guess because there's cosmetics you can buy in game. Okay, guys, who do you think the Nocturne is? I'm gonna suspect you. Oh, I didn't realize it was like that. Okay, okay. I think it's Brittany, guys. Hey! 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 Get out of here! Bruh. What are the odds? It was me. Come on! Yeah, I know that they saw it was me. I know. How'd they know? Because it said it a big "you are the Nocturne" right when it started. Dude, I don't know. This thing is like Roblox just doesn't. These games never do well on the Roblox platform. It's so bad to say. Dude, I love the aesthetics. I love the flickering lights there because the round's about to start. That was sick. It's just like guys, I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. I promise. I'm a survivor. Hey, hey, hey! Bro, you guys are griefing me. Damn, dude. It's just like Roblox really isn't the platform for these kind of games. Like, as bad as it sounds, and I know Roblox wants to. Dude, these look so cool. But like, there have been very popular, high quality on Roblox, has there? I guess I'm really not versed in this genre at all. If doors should work, it should work. I disagree. Doors is very different than this. What was the successful one that someone said? Oh, Forsaken is like this? I'll be honest, I've never played Forsaken. Hold on, guys. Don't send them yet. Bro! I don't know what I'm doing, I'm gonna be completely honest. What? I'm so confused. Okay. Huh. I don't know, bro. I don't have much to say. It's tough. Okay, you can send yours. Send your game. Co, it's fine. You let them spam, it's fine. As long as they're only spamming when I'm choosing. Okay, I'll probably do like 2 or 3 more. Okay, I'll do blasters. Lester Blade. Oops. Deal to survive. Is this released? Yeah, shorts. I definitely felt that. Is this released? You're missing a description if it is. Okay, I feel like that whole buying sequence was kind of not needed if the actual game is this. I get you want to teach them how to like unlock things, but if the whole game is this, maybe teach them after they've played the game. Alright, qualified. Yeah, this is so long. I joined the game, I don't know how long ago, and I'm just sitting here having scrolling text. People don't read this either. No one reads these longer. Skip it. Oh. Uh-oh. These are being tweened on the server, I can tell. I'm gonna be honest. I have no clue what I'm supposed to be doing. And it was probably explained in all that text. But you should assume no one's gonna read that text. If there's a goal that I should be doing, it should be on screen right now in 3 words in the middle of my screen. Like how those other games were actually doing it. Where it was like, go to the circuit breaker or whatever. Yeah, I'm really not sure actually what I'm supposed to be doing. I think it's mainly just lacking direction. Like I know it was called Survive the Night, so I think I know like what the gameplay is supposed to be, but at the same time I'm not actually seeing any of the gameplay. I think my teammate's finding money. I don't know how though. Oh, and they took damage. Oh. I finally found something. Yeah, I would say like if there are things that I need to be collecting, it needs to be way more obvious. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. I almost think like in like doors, you're constantly seeing things that you can be collecting. Now I'm not. Oh, that's funny. I'm not entirely sure. I also don't know what my gun is for. It also should be obvious when something can be collected. Like, why can't I collect this stack of papers or whatever? Whoa. Okay, that's the first time seeing an enemy. I didn't know there were enemies. Yeah, it just seems like there's like, it's missing stuff. Yeah. I think it, like, definitely needs to be so much more fast-paced. There needs to be a lot more going on. I didn't even know that there was enemies until 5 minutes in. I was forced to buy... Okay, I see him now. I was forced to, like, interact with the shop before actually playing the game, which was a little strange. Here's what he does. This is just, like, line of sight. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, the new UI shadow doesn't work on text. The Severance Lumen building? Dude, I was thinking that too. Okay. I'm gonna go with Gridlock. Oh, sorry, wait. I promised I was gonna do Qualified, and then I'll do Gridlock. I'm gonna do this one next, and then I'm gonna do Qualifieds now. All dark out. They said this is early in production, but it's made by Qualified and Walru. What is Walru's little avatar doing over here? Oh, what? That was weird the way it loaded things in. I made money there? Make this a regular thing at your current channel. Yeah, I know, I really should. Game broke? Did it? Something weird is going on with how you guys are loading things in. Yeah, I like the UI. I actually like the themes too. Also, the hover sound is really nice. I know you guys can't hear it on stream, but I think I like the overall theme. Run the server that's not in US. Oh. How to play. Guard can't see you. Steal the cheese. Avoid the cameras. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, don't show it again. Is he a guard? Oh, run. Run. Get out of here. You sprint? Oh! Oh, so that alerts the hunters. Oh, wait, it stole my cheese, though. So the cameras alert the hunters. I see. That's actually a good, like, design, low-key. You're not actually being caught by the cameras. It just alerts whoever. Oh. No. No. Using edible meshes, but their limits are so frustrating. Edible meshes for what? I think this has potential. I think the theme is cute and like very Roblox-esque. I think what a lot of these kind of games do is once you get out, it really sucks to just be doing nothing. So what they do is make you a hunter once you get out. So like you switch teams. I don't know exactly how you do that. Maybe there's less of the cameras the more hunters there are to like balance it, or like something like that. Because like nothing sucks more than being hit with a 2-minute intermission. You know what I mean? Also, there are lots of cameras. It seems like it's essentially impossible to even avoid cameras. Adam's broke. Oh yeah, we're T-posing. That's funny. Oh, there's lots of cheese in this room. Oh. No bubbles here. Oh yeah, definitely spectating. I agree. No, I think this has got potential. I know you guys said this is still like in development and stuff, but you can go to the TV to spectate. Here? Probably just have this as a button on screen. Spectate. Exit. Oh. Okay, I see what you're trying to do here. It maybe is a little too cute with the little controller and all that. Feet. No, not bad. Not bad at all. I think it's cute. I think, like, I think you can, I think obviously it needs, like, a little bit of work. Are we really not friends, Willer? Ow. But, yeah, polish and balancing, and I'm sure there's other stuff too, but, yeah, not bad. Definitely potential. 4 of us spawn in the same spot. That's so funny. I think these lights are a little frustrating right now. The cameras or whatever. just because I don't fully understand the hitbox of them, but okay, I'm probably gonna leave it there and go to the next game. But I think this has got potential. Definitely like balancing and polish and bug fixing and that kind of stuff, and just overall like feel for sure. But it's a cute idea. Okay. Next is Catchers RNG. I forget who this was from. I already decided on this. Sorry. I forget who sent this though. And I forget what their Okay, they said catching stars, cracking meteors, and completing Constellation, a cozy mix between RNG and simulator with Animal Crossing vibes. It's called Star Catchers. So Star Catchers RNG. You know, decent initial pages or onboarding page. Seems like there's 50 active right now. Even a good like ratio too. Okay. My screen's a little covered. I think that was a little bug there. I'll say it, like I say this a lot, but tons of text on the screen like this typically isn't that good. I know these type of games kind of going for that like you said, what's it called? Animal Crossing vibe, where I think that's more normalized. I'll start anytime you like. Meteors only fall for truly rare finds. Common stars just appear right in front. Okay, I see. Whoa. Oh, that gives you permanent boost. That's actually a cool mechanic. I think you need to find a way to make it so that a 6-year-old can get through the tutorial without reading and understand. Because right now there's a lot of reading and a lot of... I'd say like... I guess I honestly don't even know if this is a good example, but maybe take a look at like Adopt Me's onboarding and see what they do. Oh, I see. This just rolls automatically. I caught a mushroom. Okay, I would say right now, I'm feeling like I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know what my goal is. Place star. Add to garden. Wait, oh, there's equip best. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, right now I'm really feeling like I'm not sure. It is a very cutesy vibe. Is it always supposed to be raining, by the way? Oh, do you get a house too? Okay. Because there's a weather event. Okay, okay. Yeah, I agree with Nolan on that. Oh, I didn't know I had another one of these. Both. I ain't selling that. Circle. I would say the big thing is I'm not feeling or not fully understanding what I'm supposed to be doing or how to progress other than just like I get that like I'm getting some rarer ones. I see that. What? Why did it unequip my big float? One sec. I think like it has that nice cutesy little vibe, but and I can see the appeal. I would say I'm probably... What is this? I'm just lacking that like feeling of I'm progressing or getting stronger or something. If I'm supposed to just be completing the telescope, it doesn't feel like I actually can do anything to get that far. Ooh, except for just wait. I think this is a cool concept though. I like it. Oh, there we go. The weather clear up. Oh, that's so cool that you have your constellations that you've completed in the sky. That is so cool. Dang, there's some really cool stuff here. Then travel and then upgrade. You know what I think it is? I don't know if RNG is good for this game. The RNG system. Like, I don't know. Oh, and you have a little upgrade tree too. Nice. No, there's so much cool stuff here, though. There's really a lot of, like, really cool stuff here. I would say, like, you have a really, like, cool system and cool concept and cool theme. But with RNG games, like, you really need to index heavily in, like, your eyes are glued to the rolling. When something happens, you know what happens. Like, I got this and I had no clue. Or I didn't, like, I see that there are different types, but I had no clue. Thank you. But yeah, dude, I don't know. It's really not bad. It's just like I feel like RNG is so... Oh, what is this? Okay. And, like, I really love the concept of the stars and literally looking up and seeing the constellations you've made. It's such a cute little vibe, too. I think if you're gonna do RNG, you really need to, like, make the RNG perfect. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna leave it there. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Leaf, your avatar is 10 Robux. What does that mean? Okay, one more. I'll go with Vide. They say it's a sandbox with exploration work in progress, targeted at preferably 13+ players. I mostly need help with the onboarding since the user conversion is 7%. You're saying 7% of people stay, or... Discussion game? 7% complete the tutorial fully. Oh, wow. Okay. Thanks, Sleepy Entity. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. What? What? Did I die? Did I die? Oh, I'm back. Oh! What is happening? Oh my god, the music is so loud too. Oh my god. You can't exit settings either. Oh. Did you restart servers? Okay, click and hold on this to grab it. Press R to toggle rotation mode. R. Hold right mouse button, then drag your mouse to rotate. I think we figured out why your tutorial is 7% completion. R. Click. R. Grab system completely broke. Oh. Okay. Oh, wait, you could just skip that part. Okay. Wait, is the 7% completion? What the heck? Oh, oh, oh. Dude, what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Oh. What is my character doing? You know, I'm shocked that 7% of people finish this. Oh, oh. I'm just like flopping everywhere. Okay, I can kind of control it now, though. Oh, never mind. Can I respawn or something? Oh, we're back. Okay, okay. So the only way to complete this is to... Why am I jumping? Oh. Okay, you have to cheese the tutorial. Oh boy. Oh boy. No, no, not again. This is so funny. I'm sorry. Okay, now don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. Oh. Okay. I cheesed it. I've had to, did the tutorial work for you? I'm confused how you made it this far. It worked for all the devs flawlessly? There's no way. Oh! Oh. Okay, wait. See if this works. R. Nope. What? I think I made it to the end, but it doesn't work. Here's the errors I'm getting. Okay, guys. That unfortunately was the last one. And I have to go now. That was funny. I'll try it again some other time. But thank you all for the birthday wishes. I appreciate it. And yeah. Goodbye. I'll see everyone next time. Bye. Bye-bye.